Namaskar. It is our great pleasure and privilege to invite you all in this auspicious August gathering to discuss and share the information concerning the hydropower development and hydropower technologies. This is our 10th symposium of this nature. Simply, we want to bring our younger generations, our students from many parts of the world, at the same time also researchers, experts, professionals of different capacity, and of course industry and the government together. Kathmandu University always believes that the knowledge can be made visible, packable, transportable, and outpackable. This is the way we want to conduct research of different natures. Especially countries like Nepal want to focus its discussions, research, program and projects in hydropower development. Not only because Nepal is dependent 90% of its power source on electricity, but also this is a way that country like Nepal can stand as a successful model of developing hydropower, not only for this region but for the world as such. Therefore, we need these courses. We need to share the views. We need to share the expertise and the research outcomes. The best way to share those outcomes is through symposium like what we are organizing here today. We are very happy that we have partner like NTNU, Norway, with whom from the very beginning of our conception of our university, especially Kathmandu University School of Engineering is partnering and collaborating actively, and we are very proud to say that a simple, humble beginning of this symposium, what we started and initiated 10 years before, in the context of focusing on turbine, we are now focusing on broader picture of the thematic topics, hydropower development and hydropower technologies. The impact of the research can be made only visible and understandable once it is shared among the experts in the form of presenting, explaining, in the form of writing as a research paper, journals, publications, and speaking in a different forum like what we are doing today here. And this is the best way that each and every success can be shared, and if it's understood by the young generations and also the professionals, these sort of beliefs and the final product can be multiplied. At the end, I would like to thank again, no matter how difficult is the situations globally at this moment because of the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic has warned us to maintain the distance, but this is also proof that our thoughts is shareable via internet, what we are doing, and I am sure that the symposium is not of less quality and impactful than last year, although it is to the internet. Thank you so much to everybody who have thought of organizing 10th symposium, although the situation is not very easy through internet. Congratulations to you all. I am sure that you will enjoy being apart but sharing the same dream and views. Goodbye from Nepal.